Most AI content fails to rank in 2026. Here's the brutal truth why. Businesses are publishing thousands of AI articles daily, yet most never rank. No traffic, no leads, no growth. But here's what most people don't understand. AI content doesn't fail because it's AI. It fails because it's strategically weak. The biggest mistakes? Generic content that adds no new value, zero SEO structure, and no human refinement. Most AI content is just rewriting what already exists online. Google sees no reason to rank it. Then there's the expertise problem. Content with no author credentials, no real knowledge, no credibility signals. It simply can't compete. At SEOready.eu, we're the first agency optimizing for both search engines and AI platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini. We don't just generate content, we build strategic architecture, add human expertise, and create topical authority. AI is the tool. Strategy is the advantage. Future-proof your content at SEOready.eu.